and touch the sound of silence.
Going out tonight changes into something rare. Her mother doesn't like that kind of dress. Everything she never had, she's showing